Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install all the sample schemas in Oracle database 12c in single query. That is single shot we are going to install all the sample schema. So previously I have shown you how to install sample schema one by one. Okay. So now I am going to install all the sample schema by executing a single file. Okay. So this is the schema directory where all the SQL files are got extracted already. Okay, so mksample.sql file. So this is the SQL file where I am going to modify. So make sure that you have replaced this underscore sub underscore cwd underscore with absolute path. Okay, so this is the absolute path. Okay, save the mksample.sql. Okay, so this mksample.sql only is going to create all the schemas. Okay, and very important thing. So under each schemas directory, make sure that you are replaced with you are replaced that underscore sub underscore cwd underscore with absolute path. So make sure that this has been done for all the schemas. See here, I have replaced all this with absolute path. Okay, and also remember that what are the settings I have done during the installation of sample schema one by one. So the same settings only. Okay, the same settings only. I did not modify the SQL. The same settings. I am going to execute the mksample.sql. So I am opening sqlplus sys at orclpdb as sysdba. So I can able to log in to orclpdb pluggable database instance directly because I have added the entry in tnsnames.ora file. Okay, so and also make sure that you have restart the Oracle listener in order to log into orclpdb instance directly. Okay, now I am going to execute the mksample.sql file. So make sure that all the settings should be as it is, and that sub underscore cwd should be replaced with absolute path. Okay, remember that. Okay, it's asking for system password and sys password. Okay, now specify the password for all the schemas HR, OE, PM, IX, SH, BI. Default table space will be users, temporary table space will be temp. Specify log directory. Okay, provide the path name to log. Provide the connect string. It will be orclpdb and execute the query. Yes, so everything is fine. So in single shot I have installed the in single shot I have installed all the schemas, all the 6 schemas. Okay, HR, OE, SH, IX, BA and PM. Okay, so all the 6 schemas are installed successfully. So you can see that all the objects are getting verified automatically. Okay, so this is the output that all the objects are get verified. Okay, after installing the schemas. Now let me verify all the users one by one. So I'm logging to sqlplus as a sys user connecting to orclpdb. So I'm unlocking few accounts. Okay, so it's not necessary. Anyway, for safer side you can execute this query. Okay, so this is optional only. Okay, so I have unlocked HR, order entry, sales history, product media. Next I am going to info exchange. I'm unlocking info exchange. Next, business intelligence. Yes, so I have unlocked all the schemas. Now let me verify by logging to the SQL developer. Yes, I can able to log in. Let me try HR user. Now let me try order entry user. Oh, okay, I can able to log in. Let me try as sales history user. Yes, I can able to log in. So everything is fine. So all the sample schemas are installed successfully in a single shot using mksample.sql file. So make sure that you have replaced the sub underscore cwd with absolute path. Okay, so I can able to connect the schemas from sqlplus also. So finally sample schemas installed successfully in Oracle Database 12c Enterprise Edition.